What's going on, everybody? Welcome to a Midwest family. Here we are. We're at CrazyQuady's.
What's up, buddy?
We're gonna do some motorcycle things. We're going on a trip. Today's Friday. Planning on coming back Sunday. Heading down Kansas somewhere, wherever the road takes us. It's kind of cold out. As you can see, we're all kind of bundled up. But we're gonna hit the road, and we'll see you in a little bit. Stick with us. First gas stop, we're in Hebron.
Sounds right.
Hebron, Nebraska, something like that. Give our butts a rest. Michael had a smoke. And we're gonna get going again. Stick with us. Alright guys, so I think we found a campsite. We're on the edge of a river or a lake here. It's gonna be a little windy. We got a frost warning tonight. It's gonna be cold. I think we'll be alright though. So this whole day did not go as planned. We were planning on hitting a small mom and pop shop for lunch. Well, we ended up going to like 3 or 4 different towns. All the restaurants or bars were closed. So we ended up stopping at a gas station, slammed a slice of pizza. We hit up a Dollar General and we tried to book it to this campsite to get set up and figure out what we're doing before the sun goes down. But Crazy Q went to RSVP the campsite and we're gonna get stuff set up and we'll be back in a little bit. Stick with us. Alright guys, so we got camp set up. I got my Palace, the old 4-person in there. Air mattress. My good friend Michael here.
I'm sorry.
He had a small air mattress pump for a 12-volt, and I don't have a small one. And he grabbed one from his house, and it was a 120-volt without the cigarette lighter plug. So I was in there huffing and puffing, trying to blow the air mattress up, and a good citizen was driving by in one of those new fancy Fords and let us plug it in the dash and blow it up, which took like 2 seconds. So that's beautiful. My head already hurts, but
So,
that's all right.
Always check inside the box, because the box said 12 volt.
The box did say 12 volt on his behalf, but it was not 12 volt. No. So
You gotta get on that cot life.
it may be. Michael's modest shack.
My 1-room apartment compared to your mansion.
Yeah.
Yeah, just a little collapsible cot.
A little cot. I might need one of those.
Walmart, buddy.
Sun's getting ready to go down.
The wind's dying down. It's beautiful out here.
The wind is starting to die down. He did look on the phone. It's supposed to die down to about 6 miles an hour tonight. So, yeah.
Shouldn't be too bad.
It shouldn't be too bad.
It's still gonna be cold as shit.
It's gonna be cold tonight, but worst case scenario is Thunder Buddies snuggle up. But,
Is that air mattress big enough for 2 people?
yeah, we can make it fit. But we're gonna hang out for a little bit, get a fire going a little bit later, cook some hot dogs, and just hang out. See you in a little bit. We gotta hold the light up.
Try not to stick the wiener.
Eat this wiener.
You think it's good?
I think mine is. Got a little ash on mine.
Okay, here you go.
Yeah, I think that's dead.
Mine's getting done on one side at least.
Alright. Supper.
We gotta eat all of them.
We gotta eat all, what was that, 6 weenies. 6, well, they're not weenies, they're...
Oh yeah, there's something different.
What is
Maybe they
that?
don't need condiments.
Eckrich, bacon and cheddar, smoked sausage.
Mine could be warmer. But it's not bad. Not a bad weenie.
Not bad for Dollar General.
Yeah, Dollar General. It's the only thing we can find in this godforsaken countryside.
Yeah, there's nothing around
Nothing here, yeah. And he didn't get me crashing either.
Yeah.
Neither of us had our cameras running.
Yeah, Crazy Q crashed, yeah. That's depressing.
You You said I almost saved it though.
Yeah.
Coming around a corner on gravel, I was probably doing 50 mile an hour, 40. I wasn't going slow.
Locked it up, fishtailing.
Yeah.
I was like, oh, and then it looked like you're gonna save it, and then boom, right in the ditch. Ah.
Oh well. Could have been a lot worse. I didn't break anything, except for my pride and, and my crash bar. The crash bar did its job.
Not terrible.
No. A little something on top of that would have been good though.
Yeah. All right, so we're gonna finish cooking some food. We're gonna hang out by the fire, and it's getting pretty dark, so we'll just catch you guys in the morning. Have fun. See you in a little bit. Well, guys, this morning, I think it got down about 36, 37 last night. Got a little chilly. Wasn't too bad. I miss my snuggle buddy. not him, my wife. But we're gonna get a plan set up for today and see what happens. But our little scenery here. Motorcycles. But we're gonna get a plan together. We're gonna get going. Alright guys, welcome back. So obviously our motorcycle trip was cut short. I'm back home. Through a series of events, we decided to cut the trip short. Put CrazyQuady's link down below in the description. Check him out if you haven't. He does a lot of the camping, truck camping, motorcycle camping, fishing stuff. A lot of fun stuff. And he uploads, I think, every other day or every couple days. So he's putting new stuff out all the time. Check him out. Great dude. I'm gonna go inside, spend some time with the family. Thanks for watching. Hope you stick around. Stay safe.